Lirpa and Marv walk to Maple Hill, their laughter echoing through the crisp autumn air. They reach their favorite bench, surrounded by sunlight and colorful leaves. Lirpa begins drawing in her notebook, their creativity blossoming in the autumn sunlight. Marv makes small structures from fallen sticks and leaves. In the classroom, Lirpa and Marv are seated at their desks, immersed in a world of paper airplanes, their laughter a gentle echo in the classroom. The classroom transforms into a playful arena as they launch their paper creations, each flight a challenge to outdo the other. Their faces light up with shared joy, their friendship shining through teasing remarks and competitive smiles. Lirpa and Marv share laughter and stories during the day. Their faces glow with happiness, reflecting the comfort and ease of their friendship. Marv retrieves a folded note from his cubby, a dragon drawing on the front. The dragon drawing is instantly recognizable as Lirpa's favorite. Unfolding the note, a simple message promises something special. They will play together during recess. At recess, the playground fills with the joyful sounds of children as Marv walks over to one of his friends who is building a tower of blocks. "Help us, Marv!" one of the boys calls out, his face beaming with anticipation. Marv hesitates, his gaze shifting between the tower and Lirpa. "It'll be right there," Marv silently promises himself, Lirpa's image flickering in his thoughts. Lirpa sits alone on the bench, her sketchbook closed, the crayons still in their box. Lirpa's is sad but still makes the best of it. Lirpa pointedly ignores Marv during class, maintaining silence because he did not keep his promise. Marv's expression reflects his sadness and distress. Marv stands feeling sad because he hurt his friend's feelings. Once home, Marv focuses on painting, his brow furrowed in concentration. He carefully paints with deliberate strokes. He then paints the words Lirpa's Crayon Chest slowly on box. A silent vow to make things right etches on Marv's face. Marv gently gets a dragon drawing to put into the crayon chest, his expression hopeful. He adds a folded note, "I forgot, but I didn't forget you. I miss our bench." Marv looks hopeful. Marv leaves the crayon chest for Lirpa and waits, his anxiety growing with each passing moment. He sits alone, hoping Lirpa will appear. Lirpa appears, clutching the crayon box tightly, her gaze softening as she looks at Marv. Lirpa sits on the bench, her eyes fixed on Marv. Marv stands before her, radiating nervous energy.
"You really made this for me?"
"I really messed up. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings." The wind whispers through the maple leaves. Marvin sits still and quiet. Lirpa breaks the silence, her voice soft with regret. "I guess I should told you how I felt instead of walking away." Lirpa opens her sketchbook, the pages fluttering gently in the breeze. Lirpa asks, "Want to help me finish the dragon?" Marv responds, "Only if it can fly." Lirpa smiles, "It's our dragon. It can do anything." They both smile, their friendship renewed.